GJ for a year omo event yede bo journalist for mo Ghana abaso. Now President kopie ho and otumfo asetu to Nana Piao also ekopie ho. Now President Kasaye, and what did he say? Freedom of expression does not include freedom to ruin reputations, threaten lives, or incite violence. Or say, freedom of expression no se uti krom na sebio asamaba na obetumi akabi na sebio obi akere na adwene no eno enkyere se e wo se wo de saade no eden wo de eniabon sem e de sei nipa bi na sebio wo sa e de eden threaten nipa bi sebio wo de hunahuna nipa bi na wo sa de eden ka kire nipa bi se omni nipa bi nkoko ana omunku omho. President take us and say ade a friend freedom of expression e wo ho eye so obi abebo na adwene obi abeka na adwene nanso mema nipa bi nya o ma adwene say because there's freedom of expression no omo betuma akɔhye bibia ye frɛ no ɛyɛ yenko sei nipa bi din yenya den yen hyeda enko hunahuna nipa bi embo omo trene anase yen hyeda emma sa freedom of speech no or expression no yenko hye kire na yema nipa bi ana ekuo bi emfa ntokwa embro muntem. President akasa no asɛm bia ehia me pa. And the reason why I deal with him and say, we need to understand, you might have an issue with freedom of expression in Ghana today, because Obi Adrian say, nipa bi can send you omoboso, na nsem na omokano, eninti adenti nende, so bi so can someone the boso e manenka, who the right to speak, adebia de wakomaso. Oh, every right. But also Tia says a president a catch-all. As far as every right no eno emma ho kwan say obeka kire nipa bi say sebio unya na obekuno sa nipa no obese utwa obi kon anase obese utwa obi ti emma ho kwan ena tu untumi entena wonka say asantefo nkoku mfant nkranfo ena nkranfo nkoku asantefo uni ho kwan say obe make sa statement no ena o say untumi enhye eye de nkebi ma menka bi echi ana freedom of expression enka say sebio eye asemesi we de me chinwo eye de me fia ana me kromu a me de sika be woni tirimekuno. President say sa na wadwene ya odi a ende twi wadwene firi ho na firi sa suban no ho every say so we wadwene say ubehunahuna nipa bi obeka asema to nipa bi so asɛe omo ana say obeka nsɛm bi ma nipa bi ene nipa bi afa bi akoko ntokwa no o say so we wadwene so be sade a ene sa ye wadwene so obede fiase. Every say ono na ban na ɛwɔ so no sabio enso so nkwase asɛm so sɛ wo nyina so a wo de ka asɛm a wo ka sɛ wo beso betena social media wo beso betena TV so wo beso betena ɛyɛ bebia na wo ka ɛyɛ Ghana ho nsɛm every wakoma so a make sure sɛ wo nyina so a wo ka ɛno ntina time na me ye me show mre bi kere Japan ka so de makokɔɔto no sɛ na nka me ni nyina so a anka $9 million na open no kan nsa kan because minim say jumadi amidi no e wo se wonya ngina so ansa na waka say asemesi wei oye kromfo se woni sa ngina so na wobetumi di etwitwa wo ho a ende o te se kraman a wonya babaso John Mahama ka cha say o te se kraman a wonya babaso ni nyina ne say asem no oka na woni ngina so se o de betete obi o de beseye obi wo de begu nipa bi ho fin wo de ba ba ma nipa bi ene nipa bi asore tie nipa bi wo de ba ba ye ade bi a ye friend say wo de e ba ba hunahuna nipa bi a o se ene bo ntoma no ye efri say emra ne so mu a ye do betu efiase ene bi na mumu bebre MPP for monti ase no. If you want to insult obi stop you from insulting anybody. Ghana mra no insult is not a crime morally. So you say raise ye na say eye atenie ni ukasemu a it is up to you morally. You believe you say enka ukasa ho a eboawo e ma nipa bi bu it is good. Say obi di atem na say odi kana asemu a as far as the constitution is it's seen as it is in its current state no obi aniwa wakasa asemachi obi edi na tem a ya chena tum but say uko threaten obi say nipa we de e wo say yekuno nipa we de we ni da ho wudi say abrantie we onya kromfo uni ngina so so oye kromfo uni bibi a kire se wakofa sika we enso wakotena Facebook wakotena TikTok wakotena TV so say oh abrantie we oye wi oye kromfo we wi we o se e se wo ye wadwene say anase wo ye ready say ye fraw se be yi ano a ubenya ngina so akoyi wo ho ano enti obianka obiaka shaboa enhye ni yem. The president as someone can say nobody is stopping anyone from expressing themselves. Obian stop obian say on to me kan adwene. Na answer na beka wadwene no, make sure say wo ngina so e wo asema a wo beka no ho. Me wo ngina so. Ejina me ka say obi ye kromfo a me kan me because me wo ngina so. Say wo so wo ngina so a na waka. Because nipa ne to nsa fro e wo court a. E wo say wutumi etwitwa eje wo ho. It is simple as that. Enti mo na mo ka say, "Hey Kevin Taylor, na wo ka say wo di atam, yes me di atam, ba me wo ngina so." Obi a person de me court bi abetumi de bako. Na wo obi de wo court a obetumi yi wo ano. Sa wo ka say obi a kromfo, na say nipa de wo court a obetumi yi wo ano. So wo ka say John Mahama eku obi, na John Mahama de wo court a obetumi yi wo ano. So wo ka say aban mu nipa we, o ka ho ne ekọ wia sika we, na ochina o ka say begina court be yi ano a obetumi yi wo ano. Eni nti na mu bebre tete America mu ntumi nkofie no. Emu ex ajantra fo nyina tete America mu ntumi nkofie no because omo ka asem omo akoyi omo ano akoyi omo ano ka. Enti ende no omo hyehyɛ corners obo so omo ya live omo tete ka mu omo te dem a unhu edan ni inside nyina omo hyehyɛ corners de say nkura. It is because in some na omo ka no omo ni nyina so. Enti majority of them they have become slaves. They cannot go home. If your man come to Ghana and make catch them no. If your man na make asaro. Into women and slaves. Into president the otumofo. In bebunu na moti social media no. Young people na more Facebook no. Young people na more TikTok no. President say it is right for you to express your views. It is right for you to express the so. Now the issue is, are you ready? Do you have the evidence when you decide to speak on issues? Obianka okasabwanshe you have the right to speak. Obia wo ho kwan so bekasa. In fact, you won punching in America, omo nyina kasa. But waka say wie no, will you be happy after speaking? Do you have the legal team that knows they also here to protect asamna wakano? Maybe people like us there, we have $400,000 sitting where we can go to court with Kennedy and spend $400,000 to defend ourselves. Now, who was Asikanibi? Do you have that amount of money? Do you have a legal team that can go deep and say, as some way okay, no, would the atama one say 113 nipa, one councilman to obiso, one yes say, when never prove or a dance die. Can you bring out evidence to defend yourself? So we need evidence to defend yourself, and the men can. So we need evidence to support anything you say under what we call freedom of expression. Make sure the freedom of expression there. Now, what comes after it? No, are you able to stand? Obia no obia, but emra wa ebebusa wonsem. And I keep telling the NPP for in no mudi echire no, omamote TikTok no. If you want to be like Kevin Taylor, you need to be smart and understand what you are doing. Some because we Jimmy Fua, some catch a politician. I would did a Jimmy Fua. So our politician no or share no say onye Jimmy Fua, he can sue me. And I'll come to court to prove say Sameka we Jimmy Fua etiamra na say etiamra. Sameka o politician odi na Jimmy or ye kromfo or koye dwuma die we et say Afenyo-Markin. Sameka say Afenyo-Markin a potential criminal. It is because an assault case here the tone so police are investigations. I establish assault and at the attorney general desk so into when I say it's a potential criminal, the probability of Afenyo-Markin ending up in jail no it is 1,000%. Into he is a potential jailbird. It is Afenyo-Markin who said, "Yamekano, Sebio Medina Tem, now some Mekano, Megun Hufia. I am going to use the document from the Ghana Police Service, the investigations, and the docket on the desk of the Attorney General, which the Attorney General has confirmed to say it is true. Afenyo-Markin was under investigations, and it's our investigations, they established, say, at the end of the day, why they were assaulting police officer. So it is true. He has assaulted somebody, and his case is going to be taken to court into a potential criminal. Or a potential jailbird. I have a reason that I can say that because me what they made to make Gina so they defend me. Now, wono obekase John Mahama ye say, obekase Lordina Mahama ye say, obekase Sami Jemfia ye say, obekase way I say. The question here is, do you have the evidence to defend the whole canon? That is the distinction between me and a Monkwasiafo na mo MPP muno. That is the difference between me and mugu MPP muno, because you people, you are not able to break things down to understand where you are heading. Inti say what freedom of speech, you say it is guaranteed that After the freedom of speech, after you have spoken, nothing is guaranteed. You need to also make sure, say, oh, in Jinaswa, ebe protect and ebe guarantee with safety, ebe guarantee with freedom. Do you have that? Do you have? And internet, bebregu uremu, bebregu abrocham to go fie. Yabe de Kevin Teller yenibi, yabe de Kevin Teller yenibi. Yes, so yabe di diatam, yabe kan samaton kofoso, yabe and the omu nyina hyehyɛ bongum. So omu ntika mu no mo live, omu na mabontin sen kraman. So omu to them na omu ya omu hyekonem. They are struggling. Because one, they are struggling to take care of their addiction. Omu sabo brebia sa brano so ema omu entumi look straight. So there are a lot of psychological, they are stray dogs in America. But if you're going to follow such people, you end up in jail. Oh, nkorana, kansam. At the end of the day, play no at all from the majority on their record now. They are all ex-convicts, and you need to understand the fine lines. So one tiasia, kwasiebi ebemwa kwa mistake no akoda jail. I don't know. Sometimes when I hear and my team, we saw a video of yesterday Dennis Miracle Aboagye call in Shira. And you went there to defend your flag bearer, who you your candidate, also be a flag bearer. Okay. See how stupid the MPP is. The guy who is being paid big money by Bawumia. Bawumia can pay him no. Nipa ojiska kesepa Dennis Miracle Aboagye. You know why? Because he can organize a press conference tomorrow and tell Bawumia, give me 200,000. Because all the media coming out send me more bribe. Now the person who is leading the communication of Bawumia, he got the opportunity to sit on radio to let Ghanaians know, say, Bawumia a candidate, 1, onjimi, 2, onya corrupt, 3, onya incompetent, 4, Ghanaians can trust him because he's not tribalistic, 5, onya nipebia, sebio, odada nipa echatro. These are things that you need to clean your candidates off. Now, what did this slimy worm do? What he did was that he went there to talk about me. Now, if you go there, when you get a multi-million-dollar chance to, at the end of the day, sell your candidates, and then you talk about me, who is a member of the same party you are in, who basically, at the end of the day, runs an independent platform, who at the end of the day, no NDC person can come out and say, this is our member. Where at the end of the day, nobody can say in the NDC or in this government, say, Kevin Teller has taken an appointment. He was appointed. Then you spend the time to discuss me, then it means partner with him. You still don't understand. What role do I play? My role I played is to get Ekufuado and Bawumia out of office. Is it the role of the NDC? That's not the role of the NDC. So what do you need to do? You need to project your candidate. The moment you bring my name in, it means I control the party and your candidate. So it means whatever I would say, it means your candidate is foolish. He is not intelligent enough to understand a message that at the end of the day people will accept, because 99% of Ghanaians who will be voting in 2028, they see Bawumia as a liar. That's a fact. 99% of the people who will be voting 2028, say no on. So what are you doing? So it shows how I control the party. It shows how I control the narrative. It shows how party no omwe Jimmy. They don't even understand baby omoko. They don't even know their messaging. They don't even say, "Oh, your partner, so you're smarter." What do you do? What you do is you go in there and you project your candidates. What have I got? Kevin Teller wine at this point in Ghana's politics. Kevin Teller wine. Unless you want to make me who amount for person, and it is because my Jimmy, you are still projecting Kevin Teller because you know they are making I control the soul of your party. I control the party. Last week, I must say, from the day John Mahama won elections, nobody can sit on radio and speak for the NPP without mentioning my name. No. You know why? Because I am part of you. You are not intelligent. Jimmy, how are you cleaning Bawumia of the filth? Bawumia, to say, with all due respect, Bawumia is still politically filthy. He is politically very filthy. The same as Canada, Japan. Your candidates are all politically filthy. How are you cleaning them up? What are you telling the people to believe in your candidate again? What is the message that you are selling? So you sit on radio for 1 hour and you talk about Kevin Taylor for 30 minutes. You are a fool because now Sikana Nipande Mauno, he's throwing money in the gutter for no reason. He is wasting money on you people because majority of you people in the MPP, mwe Jimmy. And it's a fact. And I'll control this party to the point that say, you are not smart. You people are scared of me. Don't be scared of me because me and I control party minimum level of intelligence. Hey, from Bawumia, Kennedy, and then who be say, let's pick it from the bottom. Let me pick it from the bottom. I wanted to go to the other side, but let's pick it from the bottom. You see the story? I will prioritize Volta region for development. Brandy Champon or Bois. Brandy Champon say, oh, see idea Volta region and Akuma Sopa or prioritize Volta region or Bois. He's a liar. On Kanukre. When did Voltarians become Brandy Champon's priority? MPP for problem, no. MPP for problem, no. You could not prioritize Asante region. You could not make Ashanti region and Eastern region your priority. Must say omunsu nyina. Maya galam say nyina ho. Must say omu economy nyina. Now you are telling almost say Volta region for the wakuma so. This is clear cut lies. On kanokre. And this is the kind of politics Amoya Mekacham say, Jimino, you people still don't get it. You people still don't understand. Montiasie, you are still doing the 1992 politics, tribalism. Yanka we are yanya consistent. Yanka try to obiswa ebeye no kre. Yanka say John Mahama kache otum for say yenti obia. Yanka nento nipa enkwasiafo bitim ene ne kwakoto aba enye dwuma biem. Enye dwuma biem. Yanka say John Mahama ba or say Asante for or ye Gold Street cry or mani so yanka no sa nipa beto man. You people should change your style a little bit. Na mwa Jimmy. The modern day politics you still don't understand it. And we've been trying everything possible to bring you people into the game. Say, you need to change your ways of doing politics, MPP. Now, look at this guy. Napo. Let me sweep through this. Mr. P, let me sweep through this. Let me sweep through this, quick. Now, Napo Swasamaoka. If we elect a deserving candidate to lead us, we will beat NDC by over 2 million votes in 2028. Napo say, ye sebio obia oso daye esun daye pa odim nyansa edi MPP enima obia ose efata se ondi enima 2028 no at the end of the day ombe win elections no. So Napo is telling us to say in 2024 they did not elect people who deserved to be candidates, including himself. Because if you had elected candidates, if you had gotten candidates who deserved to be the candidate of the party, I don't think you would have lost with a 1.7 million, or a gap of 1.7 million votes. And in Napono Kwekachom Sonim, Senka 2024, Yansafo di Edimanke Winnie, Yako Enimno, say to me, Yansafua. The question here is muko monimono enyansafo no omone de he de na mu yi omo because enyansafo no mugusu ni nyina no 2024 they were on this ticket, they all supported this ticket which you were included. In 2024 Canada Japan came to support you Napo and Bawumia. At the end of the day you lost by 1.8 million. Brandy Champon supported you Bawumia and Napo, you people lost 1.7 million. Elichum supported Bawumia, Napo, 1.7 million. Brian Champon, Kentry. So the question here is, Saoka say, if we elect deserving candidates, none of you guys deserve to lead the NPP now. None of the 5 people deserve to lead the NPP. Because if you guys in the first place had elected deserving people in 2024, you people would have won the elections. Why didn't you win the elections? It means you, Napo, Bawumia and the rest who supported you guys are not intelligent enough. You did not elect the right people to lead you people. Into Napo catch one people for some Jimmy. Yani any Jimmy for a year 2024. You are still contemplating, say, mo person musai biem. Now I want to say this. And this MPP for Asante me muntie me yepa. Now, in 2028, Sir Bawumia etumi wini a primaries way in January, which I know he will win. My secret been there about Kennedy's camp. I'm asking you, is Bawumia going to, at the end of the day, ditch Napo for another person? Because this is the message. Bawumia ba Asante memuno. Okachira mo Asante fo ni nyina ne akamfo ne say, Moma na another chance. Na moma na another chance, he will prove himself. Anameboa. Wabeka kire mo Asantefo, mo amo menhia, mo amo bantema, mo amo nhyaye so, Asantefo na akamfo nya. Bawumia's message to you people, mo nyina ne say, moma na a second chance and that he will make things better. Now, so most of moma na second chance. Na mo mubi mo imagine say moma na second chance. Why is it say nipa na one and ko di nkuguo no and the ojina nim say ono moma almost second chance no, why is he going to change that person? So obviously Asante Emma Bawumia second chance, then Bawumia still has to go with Napo, because untimi kan kire say my second chance na ye nipa ye nua na one ne ko ye na mukodi nkuguo no, you are dropping our brother to go for another person and then telling us to say yen sambra bontene ne embeto mawo. Because one, adikudientia oba yenim abesre say oba omia yen sama another chance ne say na woni ye nua ye ba ye de hye Napo ene ko akono ena wo ka kire say akona mo koye no sebi omudi nkwasesem wo kwan so nyome bia wo se mo ye mo anye eniti na eden akono mo ntumi anwini. Now what's about Asantefo wo Bawumia ka kire Asantefo say mumma me another nod, mumma me another chance. Na so omudi another chance mawa ade na wo yi omudi hye si nchen. In this Bawumia wini 2026 January, he is supposed to keep Napo, because untumi meka nche ni Asantefo say yentam to me ma sanko second time na ye ne de hye na sebio ade ofia eye sebio otweko na se ne we di ankokora the same thing no obesa we ye de hye si nchen na kofo bifofra, then we don't have to come out and vote for you. Then it means that Bawumia we are trufo. Bawumia needs to tell Asantefo or person woman a second chance to say me pese me sane na poko. If you say mama me second chance dia minimum nuane ne nam, and it is also equally good to give a munuane so modestia so a second chance. Enti yani Asantefo no mini anoma Asantefo na mo Asantememu no, why would na Bawumia adentina Bawumia be win elections primaries now be dropping Napo adentina na Bawumia na saba be catch am say mama me tumi na Napo the vice president enye. So Bawumia ene ni team no so ma gya tum say bibi ntina emom ntumi win elections na say Bawumia konkwan dia so ne Napo ko. Say Bawumia drop Napo a, then there's no need for any Asantini to go and say me ko campaign ama Bawumia, because adia ofia eye azi ofia oye Napo. Se Bawumia pass Asantefo chewa na say or pass Asantefo chew with Napo on to mean drop Napo na on kongo fo me kan cha Asantefo say ai mo de mo fa me born ncheme na mo ntoma me na Napo de onya nipa. It way something am Asantefo so mo dwene ho adentina wa relegate Napo, but we wasabe ka jam say mo consider the man a second chance na Napo de man a second chance enye mo musa Bawumia. You people should be bold enough to ask Bawumia, say, Bawumia, why are you not on the trail with Napo? John Mahama in 2020, when he lost the elections, Oko Central Region, and Ogachom said, Mesremo, Moma me another chance, na minko 2024. Now, because Moma me chance ninti, Modishena menene kwa aku 2020 na anye yeno, sa Modishena nidia mvesa mdebamunti, I am going to go again with Nano Pokwajiman. And only the kind of respect that John Mahama demand for. Because our man fan to phone look say omo yankwasiafo me pamochew mama me another chance the same time na mo de share ma drop no enim tiama otumfo sabio I infantefo ahemfo enti se Napo se Bawumia so per second chance was Asantefo ni ma on sanfa Napo ndi nechi. You cannot drop Napo now be kan kire me say ma me second chance now why not sabio yankoto abama no ema no na woman vice president ye ni ejimi Mumusa Bawumia for aden yeni Asantefo ni ejimi na Napo de osaba second chance bi ma enya na inti. Let's get these things right. NPP for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on the campaign no omu bu mu Asante for nsem wejimi. And the reason why I'm saying that and say time I yi Napo no Asante for nyina hia in fact ye call eye men hia de koma otumfo say Napo ne wo de hia ye yi no ma otumfo kasa say me de hia nie me kwa na me hwe no school me tete no it means say Asanteman ena de Napo ma Bawumia na se Bawumia ko akono se we nya e de nkunim na so asaba Asanteman enim biem na obeka che otumfo so otumfo ye beko election 2028 inti sebio ona ya Asanteman ti ma Asanteman to mame na the same time no or the otumfo de hye na se at table asakofa obi foforo ba na eyenimtia etia Asanteman ena otumfo. Mahamudu Bawumia has no option if he really wants to seek another try and I say osa contest on the ticket of the NPP BMA. He should start campaigning with Napo. He should introduce Napo to the people that this is a ticket that we will be using again. It's simple. It's simple. And I'm not going to argue with you people. Make just ask some way. I'm a mwanka someone discuss it. And we need to understand, without Napo, 2024 elections, no, and Bawumia benya 20%. You know that. Because majority of your vote came from the Asante region. And majority of the people who voted for Bawumia in 2024, no, they voted because of Napo. It was because Napo yamunia amode share amoba amofase. It realistically, eye obi te se Bawumia in 2020 no, and Kenya Napo anko benya 20%. It is a Napo etumi ama another 12% account. Now when you're 32, 38, 18%. Now when you're 38%. Why are you dropping Napo to go bring somebody else? Now we expect this Asante for out to me. Now Asante for the second try enye. Asante for the omoka chire edie omodi hie say cyber abiema enye. Asante for na ejimi. So this go to the Bawumia campaign. Mo Asante for mo ntina na mo musa more questions. Enti ene de infantini no one for such Asantini meboa. And awunani one for such Asantini. And there's ceremony one for social Asantini. Enzima for one for social Asantini. Into end the crop for Adentina ended the Asantini to me Bawumia running mate going into election 2028. Because Asantini to me my MPP about 10 to 18% vote. Erika Bawumia home. Nipadudu amoto abama Bawumia in 2024. Ewa Asante regional because of Napo. Into Adentina and Bawumia mpesa ode Napo esabe wa watch Asante for say me na mebeje Napo ene ye kwa wako ende masaba ema mo ma second chance in 2028 ende Napo na masade na ba mode hye monhwe na momra bontene meto na Bawumia go for we foforo de ne ba dia ene Asante so mfa ne ho adwene wejwa conversation we me ko so biebo mesa ba biem. This guy needs to be campaigning with Bawumia every single day. Napo should be working with Bawumia. Napo should be campaigning with Bawumia the same way John Mahama was campaigning with Nano Pokwajiman. Because John Mahama or respecting Fantifono. My best family this year, me de na kwa campaign. Me kachira mo say, mi jimudi, mi bumo. Entira me fa Nano Pokwajiman. 2020 okwe na ofeli no. Osaba be kachira mo say, muma me na another chance. Eno tamuna na esane nante ye ena mo ba 2024 omu wini ye adentina Bawumia drop Napo wakoma Asante for na ma 18% vote dia ka 20% ho e ma onya 38 we ni ate and they will drop Asantini no akofa hwan o drop Asantini na akofa hwan o drop Napo akofa hwan. You will come to this matter now. Me pesa me ka bibi kire eye Kennedy Japan supporters no me ke bibia kire Kennedy Japan supporters no he Kennedy Japan from a reliable source ma men kan kire mo amudi Kennedy echi no Kennedy Japan information to Bawumia and say he knows Bawumia will rig the elections, and it's so disheartening say play on the minds of young people. Moka say 2020 Kennedy Japan eko contested Bawumia no. Oka say man $800 million wanje. All because not say sa election na no mu komu no na Kennedy trimu no na onim say Bawumia be winning. It adikudienti awanjene say he knew he was going to make more money if the NPP kept power in 2024. Because at the end of the day, so wanji 800 million now. Say NPP kosu wini ya and kobenya a lot of contracts. He will still be running at the same pace, and he was going to make about 10 times of that money. And anything like in Japan can say he's not going to take that money because it is too small. And anything on Norbert radio to catch up and say they tried to give him $800 million for him to stop contesting and so on, yet because they were damn sure say second himself when we need prime minister, Bawumia we need prime minister Bawumia will win the elections. And he knew say MPP were power $800 million was nothing. He was going to use like a year or something to make that money. That is why he rejected it. Now let me tell you something that is going to happen. And this is from the inside of Kennedy's camp. Yeah? Kennedy Japan and then call for now almost surrounded. No. This is their message to the Bawumia people. Almost say they know Bawumia or Reg. Now they will not go down easily. So Bawumia regated January elections not Owinia. Kennedy moved two possible routes. One, they are going to contest Bawumia's election win no, on the basis to say Waregi elections no. The only way Abema Kennedy ejai to give Bawumia that breathing space for him to even come later and support Bawumia and say if they promise to put on paper they are going to pay him every single money he is putting into this campaign. Here in they were having dinner, right? And one of my guys asked there, and I'm going to say, Unim, where politics? Yenim say omberege, but omunim say enya de so beja too easy. But the only thing is some already say sika yedi share campaign we mu nyina no. If they can pay everything, we will come out in a week or two. Kennedy will come and throw his support behind Bawumia. So that is the Kennedy Japan team on plan no. And internet they are so confident because they know say whatever they are pumping into their campaign no, they have a strategy of recouping the money. Into Kennedy, the possibility of Kennedy Japan after my premise way going back to support Bawumia, it is high because I catch Bawumia. If you pay me my money, I wouldn't care throwing my support behind you because I know at the end of the day, we are still around. Into the probability of Kennedy supported Bawumia after this primaries, no, it is possible because it's the likelihood say Kennedy ever throw the support behind Bawumia is that Bawumia will pay him sikebia or seno during this campaign. 2024 then 1G because he was damn sure say Bawumia be win elections no, and he knew say sankoji $800 million na Bawumia de mano 2024 na anka ontum be busa for favor biem ontum be busa for a contract and nitina 1G sa no, and he was sure say Bawumia be win. Now he knows to say going into this election, no, Bawumia will rake. Now he knows he can go to court, contest it as long as he wants, and make sure say there the no corner at to be a da. Bawumia dems knows say it will distract Bawumia. It is something that might break the party before election 2028. Enti omuni omo kasa, and the MBN say the supporters of Kennedy they don't know anything. They have no idea about this plan. Now Kennedy more are telling them say, yeah dear, we don't care. If you pay us all the money we are going to put in this campaign, after elections, you know, we will do something. We will pretend as if we are angry. We will go to court. We will not even follow up the case. But we will make sure, say, at the end of the day, Kennedy will throw his support behind Bawumia and sit and watch. Anytime I catch a Muamudi Kennedy Chino, say, you people should be very careful. Kennedy is playing a game with you people. You have no idea. Because the reason why at this time, no, he's bent on taking his money and he say, "On you're very sure about we need 2028." But he wants to, at the end of the day, get his investment back before 2028. And anything I'll say, I will take the money and throw my support. I don't care wherever you end. Whether you lose or you win, I've taken my money and I can walk. Because you see, the reason why Kennedy person yes I say, on himself Samira Bawumia targeting the companies. On himself Samira Bawumia person oguni companies, oguni ma companies, ogu ni team no mudine chi companies. So what they intend doing and say they want to at the end of the day harvest their investment before anything goes bad. Into the strategy, me the minimum Kennedy camp no unim. So the strategy now is simple. Kennedy, anybody will go primaries, Kennedy will go to court. The only thing that will stop Kennedy from going to court is when Bawumia pays Kennedy a dime will be out there campaign with him. And they have told them. And that is what they are negotiating. It is not small money. It is big money. Now, Kennedy, so in the second sikana, he will come and throw some fake support behind Bawumia and tell his group to say, we are all the same people, the same party. That is what Kennedy will do after he takes his money. And see, these people, they are just playing with you people. Bawumia and Kennedy Mono. They are playing with you people. They are playing on your minds. And especially Kennedy, I am so disappointed in Kennedy for taking this decision because actually when you briska, actually you don't respect them. Because the same thing 2024. The reason why this can say no Bawumia be winning or say MPP will stay in power. But he's damn sure Bawumia is not going to win in 2028. He knows. That is why he wants to take his money now. To throw his support, he will do it. And the people following him, or that he will tell them and say, you know something, let us all go and support. And then he will take his money and go. That is the plan of Kennedy Japan. As I speak to you, the Bawumia team and Kennedy's team, some of them are negotiating how they will reach an agreement. The amount of money will be ready. And Kennedy is not thinking of taking anything electronically. Kennedy is taking cash. That is what he wants to do. This is not going to be a wiring issue and your transfer. They are thinking of handing over physical cash to Kennedy. So Kennedy is second seeker after January elections now. He will make noise for about 2 weeks. The third week, Kennedy will come out and tell you, say, you know something, and you're not party neighbor say, into the party can go ahead. Whoever wants to support, he will take his money and he will walk. Put this in your head. And that is what is going to happen. They are doing serious negotiations behind the scenes. Serious negotiations. And I'm going to say, the rigging of the elections is inevitable. Because Kennedy himself and his team, they are negotiating. They know Bawumia will rig. They know. And Sika Kennedy, he's not going to make it go like 2024. No. And he could enter to 800 million it was because he believed he said we need 2024 elections, so the contracts were what? They were going to be intact. Now he does not trust Samira. Samira targeting the businesses. Samira, I and I say finish. So at this point, he would take his cash and then let the party go. And the Muamunya politics. Muamu come 2028. Media make check me followers and they say, Enyashi. Or the party let us just support them. The same thing he did in 2024. I'll be right back. You bet you jump. You are still live on Loud Silence TV. My name is Kevin Ekobedu Taylor. You're live on TV. You're live on Facebook. We are live on all platforms. We are blazing everywhere. Now, very, very important. Enti asana makachira mo MPP for no. Meba meka two things and there. Napo needs to follow Bawumia. Bawumia needs to assure Asante for say he will go again with Napo. He needs to do it before the elections. Bawumia needs to make that statement. So we'll try making that statement. Mema Asante ni bi antomano. Because Asante for you don't deserve last. You cannot go into an election with Napo and come back and tell us say you have vote in Duichi. Now I drop here this year. No. So Bawumia needs to make his stance clear on this matter. So or the Napo kwa and answer on for Napo. John Mahama made it clear that he was going to go with Professor Nano Poko-Adjumah right after election 2020. So we should know from Bawumia, is he going to go with Asante or Asante for votes to win the primaries? Is he going to go with Omodeshie? We want the Bawumia campaign team to answer that question. And the Kennedy followers, Kennedy is negotiating. Kennedy is going to take his money. He's going to come and throw in the towel and say, these two things are very important, and I know what I am telling you people. All right. Now, there's another story. Very interesting. Team, are we good? All right. Now, Bawumia ne yere atra omutumi di cha go for me anyway.
Masevi Party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obia Wasum Party 24 years and counting.
Masevi Party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obia Wasum Party 24 years and counting.
Masevi Party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obia Wasum Party 24 years and counting.
Engo for me anyway, sango for me anyway. Samere one Bawumia rehearsals omo ye no fie anso no mo pie no. Hey, omo mo people nya se mo jimi o. There are two actors o. These are two professional actors. These are two people. Omo ye, hey, Bawumia so on some MPP 17 years. The manager Samere say Bawumia assume NPP 24 years. Which is which? Now, if you because some aliens for party more, now my friend say obi didi matem and somebody is being tribalistic. They are saying that you are aliens because you are not from the party. And then I'm saying we are slaves because, with all due respect, no, omo the party chobo fruma no, omo nim obia owura party how long they have been in the party. Bawumia so atena party 17 years. The manager Samere and so atena party 24 years. Iti Bawumia how many years atena party? That shows clearly that Bawumia has never been a member of the NPP. Iti nanado dan kweku from the creative party ID card ma Bawumia. And the consistency in the inconsistency when it comes to Bawumia's stay in the party, no, it has become consistent because they are both consistent liars. Sanko for me anyway are true for. And you see, they think say Bawumia and Samira omujin say ye Ghana for no ye nim nyansa. 17 plus 24. And 24 minus 17. And 24 divided by 17. And 17 divided by 24 plus 4. And 4 plus 18 minus 24. You see, Bawumia kasa party we dimu how many years? Because Samiri on the control Bawumia adwene no. Samiri say me and I'm the akwa way, me na me control na adwene, me na me update no, me na me nim ye manufacture no, or co default aminim. Watena party we 24 years on the MP before na kasa. And a robot no so gina MP before him said no. Me master in some no can override it or beso override it dear me kasa me processor no. I have been in this party for 17 years. So it is the word of the robot against the robot master. Now who is in control? And it's AI. Right now, are we in control of AI or AI is in control of us? Because now, we don't know who is intelligent. Now, we don't know whether Bawumia is a liar. Another Samira and Trufo. Who is telling the truth? So, Bawumia and Samire, they are operating with the AI malfunction system. AI. So, we don't know. We don't know what basically these two people represent at straw. You see, everything about them is a lie. And if you see them, say, baby, you can see everything about them is fake. Everything is rehearsed. The way they hug, the way they talk to each other, the way you can see, say, it is rehearsed. I say, Obana Chinetana the board, the scene him say, you do what you say, Srekakra, Bupa, I had to onsa. I just say, they say, no, Sanko for me anyway. Bawumia ne I want to say AI. I say no. Are we the smart ones or AI is the smart one? Because Bawumia said 17, Samira said 24. So which is which? Muamudi Bawumia and Samira Chino. We need a press conference. We want to know exactly how many years Bawumia at the MPP legitimately. Bawumia and Samira, Munafikis. They lie and they are confident about their lies. Is this not embarrassing? Any time. Say, Obine na yere, Omumienu, Omunim time about Bawumia ba party nim. Listen to this. Is it not disgusting?
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obi Awasum party 24 years and counting.
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obi Awasum party 24 years and counting.
The many dangerous and say Samira Bawumia statement inconclusive. Or say ni kuna some party 24 years and counting. Meaning a bit down count or no crampo or you're very conservative with the numbers or the mamu. Or say 24 years and counting. Meaning Obazo Kacha will say Bawumia crash some party more than 24 years. But robot Nankasa say no. The system Nankasa the actual gubuno Pentium 98 the idea no. When you say or no or start here Juma party no. You download here or start here Juma party 17 years flat. So which is which? These are two liars. The inconsistency in their statements. So the issue is Yawasi Abusa Bawumia say, is Samira his first wife? We want to know. It's a harmless question. Maybe because Makodi Bawumia tem, Mindina tem. Because the way Bawumia knew how many years are with the MPPH, na Yerema 24 and counting. Bawumia Emma 17 no. Yabasi Abusa Bawumia one kasankasa wo yire o first wife no on Samira. Because ende Samira Jamaica Obeka say, me am yes Bawumia first wife. As Bawumia Bek Jamaica Beka say, time I'm a warrior and answer me share Samira no. Because you two, my statements no a hardware. I will not be surprised say one day Bawumia Jamaica say, when after my first marriage and I met about Samira, and I will hear Samira Soka say, since me being the first wife of Bawumia, the inconsistency, it confirm me actors. These are two kunkumbaja actors. These are people we cannot trust. Fresh and Ponda Musu. This is a regular campaign. This is regular. Omangasa internal elections. Imagine the Omobeye when they win a primary sway. Everything about them is a lie. We need them to issue a statement together. We want to know exactly how many years Bawumia Edi pathway Echi. We want to know because it will help us. 17 years, 2001, Bawumia some no can you. Iti ya pesa Bawumia na yire. Ya pesa Mahamudu na yire. Ya pesa Ebebusa Bawumia sa Bawumia. Is Samira your first wife? Nia pesa Ebusa Samira says Samira is Bawumia. Does he see you as his first wife? That is the question we need to ask Samira. The first question that has to go to Bawumia is Mahamudu Bawumia, is Samira or Samira your first wife? Nia Busa Samira say, Samira, are you sure you are Bawumia's first wife? These two questions, my contradictory answers. I'm telling you. Sango for me anyway. Yebusa Bawumia say Bawumia, is Samira your first wife? And when did you get married? Yeah, the timeline is count. Any dates count, any dates count. Near Busa Samira say, Samira, are you sure Bawumia, you are Bawumia's first wife? And when did you guys marry? Yeah, the date, time, any durations count. They will give us about four answers each. You better checking out 38, and not 38, 37, 37, 16. These are two liars. This, you see, and before you become president, there are so many things that you share. Your consistency in you, whether you can speak the truth. Bawumia na yireno, sibia mu twatrono, sibia mu twatrono, and they are happy about it. And they lie and they are happy about it. They lie and they laugh about it. They lie and they just get excited about it. I don't get it. Inti mu MPP for mu huana. Now just again of one these are the things we are looking at. Because in Kofu we can create. They're liars. All right, now, I'm in story bina Afenyo-Markin no. Me team ne say yebebusa Samira de Bawumia question. We should first ask Bawumia ewo dem. Ye wi na bebusa Samira bon say be different. Mopa anadwi. Monche Bawumia sha bottom na momfa no kwhye dan ba akum na munyi botto ni firi no ho na mama ne koko mu wi na mama ne masa mu man masa wi na mama ne eyedien hyeto ene eyedien ublayo odi wi a wo se Bawumia Samira Bawumia ona your first wife ana o mama answer mo nkyro mama nya hwe na mama ne kofie nkoda na mo nkohia Samira na musa Samira say are you sure you are Bawumia's first wife? You hear obeti answers obumi de be ma wo MP4 me say anadwi mopa monfa botto enjechire Bawumia na monfa nkoto residential area bi monfa botto nwura no wra na monchechire no na monfa nko residential area na monyi botto na mama ni ndware mama ni dware a onjina nsu hye na senche na enguna pempem eho na eyi ne hye sensa no Bawumia ne line sensa no modi nsu hye gusua na mo ya fast up the blog to so pe edwope ende default malfunction asabesi enti modi ne kwa modi botto chechire na modi ne kohye eye guest house wa na mo yine free botto na mama ne didi mama ne koko na mama ne masa na mama ne bulayo na mama ne hyeto kakra na mama ne kome odi wi a na mama ne gina shower ase na mo bie nsuo no hot na eguna pempem no mu na pempem heat ba ope na mo yine free na mo de ice block ato na mo musa na sa question no ba ha asmo be ka kire wo sensa ne shaha sensa no ha ne wo etua haketue bi e wo ne pempem kakra bi Bawumia ne sensa no e ho 1998 no mo manufacture no sensa no wo na pempem kakra bi obeka de anim nyina oh Samira de se me nim no me ware kura po no na Samira wo school because game pakura na boys pia me obeka ni nyina obedwudwa ni nyina mu owia mo record na makobusa Samira are you sure you are Bawumia's first wife sa question busa Samira kwa ne bubefu ka say that guy you see there are some things I don't want to talk about when we go outside we make people think we are that guy that Bawumia his wife the one in the northern way. I don't even want to hear that Ameria's name. That Ameria. Me say mo dia mo pa mo fa no kwhye nsuase. Bawumia. O twantro no obi ani atwa de be man kwara brem. Sika ri twa ani atro ho made in lies. Bawumia. So go and ask him. He's a liar. Omni communication be on worry mo. Have you seen these two people talk before? When we say Samira and Bawumia din komoda. They be serious. When we somebody incomoda, I'm asking you, have you seen Samira and Bawumia speak like passionately in public on any kunu? It is all about be careful. Watch your head. They be Samira man direction. Be careful your head. You are dangling too much. Don't smile too much. You know how these people, the photographers, are taking pictures. What's what I say? The real feeling one as I started. Oh yeah, they don't really have any relationship. Because Samira say maame na Bawumia ware the first born no sa maame ne nkora na ebedi Bawumia de Bawumia so enkremuni na sa maame na o first wife no ne mba be ma no omo na mo ba bedi ade ene na ye Bawumia Samira e wona kumem oyo ho hwe nyeye because Samira ne mma susa pa ejapade enti o
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obiawasum party 24 years and counting.
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obiawasum party 24 years and counting.
God have mercy upon us.
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obiawasum party 24 years and counting.
Masevi party the last 17 years.
A few moments later.
Obiawasum party 24 years and counting.
And no, I'll come back to this matter. But nyama mienu no MP for mo dwene ho